Most towns fix their roads to keep cars moving. Marengo is rebuilding Prospect Street to keep people moving.
This isn't just a paving project. It's a shift in how this town will function for the next 30 years.
I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzie with the Tamara Ozzie Team at Century 21 New Heritage.
And today we're breaking down what's really happening on Prospect Street and why it matters if you live here or if you're thinking about moving here. Let's start with clarity. The Prospect Street Modernization Project covers just under 7/10 of a mile. It runs from about 1,000 feet north of Route 20 to about 500 feet south of Route 176. This is not resurfacing. It's not patching. This is a full rebuild.
Here's what that includes. A complete hot mix asphalt roadway reconstruction, a brand new storm sewer system to address long-standing drainage and ponding issues, an 8 to 10 foot wide shared use asphalt path, ADA compliant sidewalk ramps with tactile warning strips, and a widened railroad crossing coordinated with Union Pacific.
Construction officially began August 4th, 2025, after the April bidding process, and work continues throughout 2026. The key players here are the City of Marengo, the Illinois Department of Transportation, and Pertano Construction as the general contractor.
Now here's the part most people don't realize. Historically, Marengo street work was funded through motor fuel tax dollars. That typically means maintenance, patching, surface improvements. This project is different.
It's being funded through IDOT District 1 construction funds and state grants. That signals something important. This isn't maintenance, it's modernization. It marks the end of the quick fix era.
First, drainage. The new storm sewer system addresses historical ponding issues along this corridor. That may not sound exciting, but it protects foundations. It protects basements. It protects long-term property value.
Second, noise. Hot mix asphalt significantly reduces road vibration and surface noise compared to aging pavement. If you're living along Prospect Street, that matters.
Third, accessibility. The new ADA-compliant ramps and tactile surfaces prioritize seniors and residents with mobility challenges. That tells us something. Marengo is planning for all ages, not just drivers.
The shared use path is 8 to 10 feet wide. It creates a safer, non-motorized corridor connecting toward Marengo Community Middle School. That means kids have safer routes, student athletes have training access, families gain flexibility.
This is lifestyle infrastructure, not flashy, but meaningful.
For years, Marengo has felt like a town people drive through. This project shifts that identity. It moves Marengo toward a more multimodal future. Not anti-car, not urban, balanced. It prioritizes people as much as pavement.
National and regional studies show homes located within about 50 meters of shared use paths can command a 4 to 11% premium compared to similar homes further away. That's often called the trail premium.
Access drives value. This project permanently improves the perception and the utility of Prospect Street and surrounding neighborhoods.
The path is designed to eventually connect with a broader Humptrail, the Huntley Union Marengo corridor. That increases appeal to cyclists, outdoor enthusiasts, and even regional visitors. Connectivity creates magnetism. Infrastructure, resilience.
By replacing aging subsurfaces now and installing new sewer systems, the city reduces future emergency repairs. That means future budgets can focus on improvements instead of crisis response. That's long-term planning.
Would this increase traffic? It's a defined corridor between two state routes. It is not a bypass extension.
Is this raising my taxes? The project utilizes state grants and District 1 construction funds. It's not a neighborhood special assessment.
Is the path safe for kids? Modern shared use paths are designed with separation and visibility in mind. Safety was clearly part of the planning.
Does this change Marengo's small town feel? That's the emotional question. Modernization doesn't automatically erase identity. Thoughtful infrastructure often protects it. This isn't urbanization, it's preparation.
If you own near Prospect Street, drainage protection, reduced noise, improved accessibility, potential long-term appreciation support. This creates a value floor.
If you're considering Marengo, this signals a town that isn't standing still. It tells you leadership is planning, infrastructure is improving, connectivity is expanding. That builds confidence.
As you watch the crews working on Prospect Street this year, don't just see a detour. See a town bridging its rural past with a modern future.
See a community choosing to invest, to plan, to remain competitive for the next 50 years. If you're a homeowner and want to understand how projects like this affect your specific property, or if you're considering Marengo and want clarity before making a move, we offer something called a plan conversation. That stands for personalized life and asset navigation. It's not a sales call, it's clarity first. Reach out anytime. We're here when you're ready.